Hi, welcome back. I'm Marites and you're watching GreenFingerMom. If you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like and share this button to share my video with your family and friends. Notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload new green finger tips videos. With that said, I am not a complete gardening expert and these experiences is what I always choose to do and to learn during my free time. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Let's repot ഠλωροφάɪτομ COMOSUM. Now we have spider plant. What I have here is VARIEGATUM, airplane plant with curved leaves with white edges, dark green streak in the center, opposite of VARIEGATUM. Okay, now we will have to repot this because my spider plant is in the nursery pot for how many months already and it has lots of roots. Spider plants is, according to NASA research, found that spider plant has air purifying capabilities, which is 90% toxic chemical removal like carbon monoxide, which we will smell in the gas stove, fireplace, or kerosene, formaldehyde, which what we smell in furnitures and in panel cabinets or carpets, and xylene in printing press, cigarettes, rubber, and leather, and poor ventilation. As you can see, it has lots of roots. Before repotting, I make sure that it has already dried out those soil. As you can see, only few soil left because lots of roots already and ready for repotting. And I use cocoa dust and pumice as a well-drained soil mixture as a medium. And she likes moisture environment, so don't underwatering and don't overwatering, and make sure water them well in between dry if it's already dry out before watering, and don't allow the plants to become too soggy so it will lead to root rot. He likes bright to moderate indirect sunlight and she will flourish. And as you can see, there's a browning in the tips of the leaves. It's normal due to underwatering. As you can see, before I repot, the soil is almost dry because I want to easily remove it from the old pot. And sometimes that is cause of too much watering because the water that we use is sometimes we use water from the faucet and it has chlorine and fluoride and it can build salt in the soil. So use distilled water or rainwater. So after this I use rainwater because few days ago it has rained, so I saved some for my spider plant. And thank you. Happy planting. Enjoy planting. Coming up next, Monstera deliciosa update. Cut Monstera stem into two and propagate again and repot into two pots. Thank you and God bless, and don't forget to subscribe on GreenFingerMom. Bye.